People don't regret losing you when you beg them to stay. They regret it when you stop reacting. Silence does something powerful. It forces people to face what they avoided. When you stop responding, they start remembering. When you pull back, they feel the space you once filled. And when you choose peace, they finally feel the damage they caused. Here are 7 silent behaviors that make people regret hurting you, even when you never say a word. First, you notice everything but respond to nothing. Nothing shakes a guilty person more than calm silence. Your stillness exposes their actions better than anger ever could. You deny them the reaction they were hoping for, and that's control. Second, you stop explaining and quietly detach. Detachment is a language toxic people don't understand. Your silence tells them you're done repeating what they already know. You don't win by arguing. You win by leaving the conversation. Third, you choose distance instead of drama. Distance reveals truth faster than confrontation. The moment you limit access, confusion begins. Silence plus distance makes you untouchable. Fourth, you stay calm when they expect chaos. Your grace highlights their instability. Kindness with boundaries is strength, not weakness. Your calm response becomes the lesson they weren't ready to learn. Fifth, you let life handle the consequences. You don't chase revenge. You trust timing. People eventually drown in the patterns they create. Your silence lets karma speak for you. Sixth, you value peace more than approval. Control only works when you seek validation. The moment you choose peace, they lose power over you. Peace exposes who truly respected you, and who only used you. Seventh, you let them wonder what changed. Mystery hurts more than confrontation. You stop explaining, and regret begins. Your silence becomes the closure they never asked for. People aren't afraid of being exposed. They're afraid of being ignored. When you walk away quietly, regret follows them loudly. Stay calm. Stay private. Stay unreachable to those who took you for granted. That's all for today. If this message resonated with you, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.